It's Friday. Good job on getting through the week so far. Happy Friday. We are going to do some fun things today. We're going to take two quizzes. Yes. It's your Mastery Connect. I'll have you log in with your the test ID number and your lunch code so you can do that. Miss Gurney's made a couple videos for our dances and our songs actually. Oh, dancing's on my mind. In fact, let's have a dance party since this is Friday. All right, we're gonna dance for you, and we're gonna tell you what our song is and the artist. And then after we're done dancing for you, got a few guests for you. I want you to post below what artist and song you're gonna dance to at home with somebody else in your house and family. Don't worry about recording. Just dance away and then let us know how it went. All right. So we are going to get started for you. Enjoy this video and have a good Friday. Alexa, play Happy Dance by Mercy Me.
Here's Happy Dance by Mercy Me on Amazon Music.
Hey, you in the corner shaking the nose. You got the shaking vibe of the feel on you. We always say that we have on become a joy. So that I see you all the talking when I'm words fall short.
Happiness! Happy dance. Happy dance! Happy dance! Happy dance! Hope you liked your song. Bye!